The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Kia Niro with the factory installed flush side rail. So for complete year range, check out the link in the description below, but at the time of this video, it is 2017 through 2022. So this is utilizing the factory installed flush side rail. We have the Thule WingBar Evo 118. That's the 47-inch crossbar. Here you see it in silver, also available in black, or even their standard square bar. So in addition to the bar, you've got the Evo Flush rail foot pack and the vehicle specific fitting kit 186076. So you can see it's a real precise fitment to that flush side rail. Crossbars we have spaced here at the maximum 27.5 inches, center to center. And you also have a 165-pound carrying capacity that's evenly distributed. So here's just a quick walk around of this rack on this Kia Niro. For complete details, easy ordering, click on the link in the description below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email, or swing by the shop. So like always, thanks for watching.